Hi, we often a listening problem in ACCL. So I thought of making a video on ACCL to understand how ACCL works and what is the functionality. So the full form of ACCL is automatic source changeover and current limiting system. So this is, as name suggests, it changes the source when there is a power drop. And so here if you can see the control, here is a indicator for mains, and then generator, load. And since this is a three phase ACCL, so we have overload condition for red phase and yellow phase, blue phase, and then there is an indicator for manual mode. Here we have two switch, one is reset and another is a manual auto selector. And if you'll see here, it says generator 08 ampere. It means this is a 8 ampere generator side load, and 40 ampere mains. This means it can handle 40 ampere for the mains line and 8 ampere current from the generator. So let's see the connectivity. So as this is basically a three phase ACCL, we have red, yellow, blue and neutral for the mains, and on the load side we have red, yellow, blue and neutral, and for the generator also red, yellow, blue and the neutral. So ideally when we are connecting this, it should be connected like this. So the load means the supply which is coming to our house, and one side generator will get connected to this side and the mains line will get connected to this side. But here in our community we are using a single phase generator system. So actually this is not connected in this way in our houses. It is connected like this. So in actual it is connected like this. We are getting a single phase connectivity from the mains line, and the same single phase connectivity is coming to our house, and the single phase connectivity is connected through the DG set. So if your ACCL is not working and if you want to basically change your ACCL, you don't need to go for a three phase ACCL. Even the single phase ACCL is good for our purpose because we are using a single phase generator here. Okay, now very often we think like there is a problem in the ACCL, but mostly like that is not a actual problem. It is a working of ACCL. So we need to understand how this works actually. So here are few points, like when we put the ACCL, and when the power goes off, ACCL connects our house to the DG line, and as per the programming of the ACCL, it takes about 8 seconds to connect DG to the load or house. This 8-second delay is purposely kept here so that when the generator starts, it should get some time to be stabilized, and sometime even the generator takes time to start. So this 8-second delay is there. That is the reason when the power goes off, we feel some delay in the DG connection. And if our all loads are connected and ACCL finds like the load is more than 8 ampere, it will automatically trip after 8 seconds. So within the 8 second, when the overloading condition happens, it will wait for the 5 seconds. It will beep for the 5 seconds, and that is the reason sometimes you can hear the beep from ACCL. It means you have load more than 8 ampere on the ACCL, and ACCL is basically giving you a warning to switch off some of the loads. And if you are not switching off some of the loads, then ACCL will again trip off for the 8 second. So again ACCL will disconnect your house from the DG set for the 8 seconds, and again it will wait for 8 seconds and give you a warning to disconnect the load. But if you are not doing that, ACCL will run this cycle for 5 times. So that is the reason sometimes we are experiencing like power is going and coming, going and coming. That is not actual case. Actually your ACCL is giving you the warning to disconnect the load which is more than 8 amperes. So if you are not doing that, then ACCL is going in a sleep mode. After 5 cycles, ACCL will disconnect the load, and your house will get disconnected from the DG set, and ACCL will go into the sleep mode. And here you will get a warning light, overload warning light. Okay, then what you need to do, that you have to manually reset the ACCL. So to reset this, you have to press the R button, okay, or you have to press the M button to do the manual changeover. So this way your ACCL will again restore to the normal condition. So this is the basically operation of the ACCL. So as we understand, this ACCL is basically connecting DG set to our house whenever there is no power, and when the power comes back, it disconnects the DG and connects to the electrical line, and this function happens automatically. So let's see what is there inside the ACCL and how it functions. So I am just opening it. Okay, so I am just opened this ACCL, and now you can see here, here we have basically a 4 pole circuit breaker, 2 units, and then there is 2 switch over circuit breakers, and then there is a electronic circuitry here. So this is the basically a logic circuit card that keep monitoring the load conditions and the current consumption by our house. So here we have basically a 3 current transformers which is connected to the each phase, blue, yellow and red, and these are the basically a current sensing transformer that sense the current, how much current is going through these wires, and if it is exceeding more than 8 amperes, then this logic circuit card will disconnect the relay, and your house will get disconnected with the DC load. So here we have basically a generator connection. So like we are using a single phase, so one red and one black is getting connected here, okay, and it is coming to this circuit breaker. So here you can see like there are 4 poles. When this operates, actually this is a electromechanical switch. So when this operates, this goes down, and when it is going down, these points are getting connected with this. So all these 4 points will get connected with this. So this is coming from the generator side, and this side it is coming from the mains. And if you'll see, these 4 wires are going to our house. So one side we have an electrical connection, mains connection, one side we have a DG connection, and on the center we have basically connection for our house. So initially the mains is connected to our house. So in that condition, this will be on, it will be like this. When it is on, actually this switch gets off, so it is keeping this circuit breaker in off condition. So when the mains is on, DC will be disconnected from this line, The moment mains goes off, this switch will come out. This will come out and this will gets operated. So this will get on and this will make this relay to work. The moment this relay will work, the DC will get connected to our house line. So in any situation, one of this relay will work. Both cannot work simultaneously, because when this will on, this will go off. When this will go off, this will get on. So this way how it works actually. And what happens during the rainy season or during the summers, there will be a lot of dust accumulation here. And during the rainy season, that dust absorbs a lot of moisture, and when this is switching on, okay, that creates a problem in the connectors. Okay, and then your relay starts fluctuating. It is not properly connecting, and then it starts fluctuating. That is what happened with my ACCL. This is my house ACCL. So today evening we have basically removed it, and I opened this, and this was basically not working, so I opened it completely and I cleaned it thoroughly, and now it is working properly. So tomorrow I will place this back again. So this is how it works actually. So hope this is clear, and if you have any question, do let me know. Thank you.